Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kementeri kakot kakya jong kosor ka Jylla kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh kabadiru ke MLA na East Shillong constituency kalau ong bahaus nem arhajar apupra kan suyu ihdu arpo ngut ki MLA Kynthei ibadan Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla. Ya kini ki kentian kelakran habapri ka mega career awareness program bala penlong de Guwahati North East chapter of EIRC jong Institute of Company Secretaries of India Hakijinya trailang makatanat commerce ke Shillong College Meghalaya kabalalong mentah kasing thok dia ngapalau jong ke Shillong College kakong Ampareen kalau ong baki arut ki sembut menteri rangba ke Jylla katau ba preston tensong bot uba snia balang dhar kini ki balawan puli ha ketai ke college bot kumta kala kentui ki samla puli baki dei maki ban mi bujli na kabenta kalawai ban yalam ya kari bat tajat ben rio kalau ong biang ba lai pulai persen kabala menjur da kasor kar India kan poi palat arpongut ki MLA Kynthei hadir ke election MLA house nam arajar apupra ban sayu Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla kumta kala kentui ki samla puli bakin mi syakman panong kinong mi bujli.
You have to take up the challenge when we face out in the years to come. You will take our place. How many of you want to take my place in the future? Raise your hands up. How many of you would like to be an Ampareen or a Snowbalang or a Preston Tinsong? Raise your hands. There you go. There you go. What about the ladies? 33% reservation now will come. You will have not less than 20 women MLAs in the assembly in 2028. Don't you want to get there? Do you want to get there or not? Now, rise, study hard, dedicate yourself to your education. One day, you will take my place. One day, you will make this alma mater proud. Do not let us down, because Shillong College has been a level playing field institution. I am so grateful to this institution. I am who I am because I studied in these corridors. And if I can do it, I repeat, so can you. In this day and age, the competitive spirit between contemporaries applying for vacancies in various agencies, including government, is very cutthroat. I understand that there is this great feeling of restlessness amongst the young people of this nation. However, retrospectively, if you consider, you will see that career options for young citizens of this generation are far more brighter and varied as compared to the opportunities of young generations of citizens in the past. Today, citizens of this nation no longer look at traditional career paths and options. Today, young people have to prepare themselves with various set of skills to be able to shine out and be considered for job offers across the board. My fervent request to the students of Shillong College, whether you are in the Department of Commerce or whether you are in the Department of Business Administration or whether you are students of economics, you must familiarize yourself with the various career path options that are there and available for you in this generation. Thinking out of the box is very necessary for young citizens if you want to make yourself employable.